Hey y'all, so we're back again with another session of, I don't know what to call it. I can't really call it Toy Destroyer because I think somebody else already has that name. So anyway, I tried the thing with the He-Man yesterday and it only got a good nick on his chest. So look, I had a really good shot there. And so anyway, I'm going to try something else today. A toy. It's really a collector's item from about 31 years ago, and it's a relatives of mine actually raced this thing. Well, I think some of my relatives do, some distant cousins. So let's take a look, see what I'm going to shoot up now. And it's not my truck, but it is a truck, but it's not my truck. So this right here is a Woods Brothers semi, and you can see it's 1993 edition. I'm going to use my son's BB gun. Need my glasses. So this is the damage thus far. Golly, it's sweaty, my glasses slip off. So Morgan Shepherd, when he drove, that's whenever this came out. So as you can see, it kind of messed up one of the trailer tires, knocked the lift open, back trailer there, and there's some scuff marks for the BBs. You get a couple of hits on the cab there. A couple of BBs still stuck in there. Alright. See if I can knock that hand off of it. It's either dry fire or it ain't doing nothing. Come on. Take something off of it. Come on, flip something. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's it. That's even better. get the put it. Okay. Come on. Busted the grill. Oh. Good trick. Save a few BBs. So here's the rest of the damage. Blew it off part of a smokestack. The driver's side smokestack completely gone. Some hits to the cab part and the back of the trailer. And yeah, so yeah, the wheel kind of knocked off the rim a bit. The grill broke. It was all fun. I think I had it, yeah. Nope, maybe I didn't. Thought I hit a tank, gas tank, diesel tank. But yeah, it was all fun. Probably didn't break the window through, but oh well. Maybe next try.